I am going to present how easy it is to launch a smart contract on ECOChain. The process isn't going to take more than 5 minutes. First, we are going to download the ECRC20 code from GitHub. We open the browser. Going to GitHub repository of ECOChain. We just copy the HTTP URL of ECRC repository. We clone the repository. And open the source file with an editor. Here is the source code. Actually, we need to edit only these variables: name, symbol, decimal place, and total supply or cap limit. Scrolling down, just this. Let's set a name. Demo token will do. And a symbol, DTK. 10 decimal places. Actually, here we can set any, even 0 or 2 or whatever, but 10 looks cool. Okay, now we can set the total number of tokens. Let's set it at 500 million. Done. We have actually finished editing the source code. We save the file and exit. Now we can just call the Solidity compiler. We need to create the bitcode and ABI. Oops, I forgot to tell the compiler what I want. Let's create the bitcode binary first and ABI. The bitcode is the only thing that the virtual machine can understand. I'm not going to explain what is ABI for now. It is not so important. We are going to just copy these two. I'm going to open the graphical wallet now. Actually, I could do anything from command line, but for simplicity, I will use the GUI. We click the Smart Contract tab, option Create. Here we must paste the bitcode and ABI, choosing the owner ECOChain address who will hold the token initially. This address is the deployer of smart contract and owner of the tokens. Here we can change the gas limit and price if we want. Let's copy paste. This is the binary. And this, the ABI. Ready, let's deploy the smart contract. This is the transaction ID. This is the smart contract address. The ECOChain address of the owner of the token. Okay, contract minded. This is the eco spend for the deployment. It could be less if we had optimized the bitcode, but this is a demo. Let's keep it simple. We have a token now in less than 5 minutes. We can check the token at ECOChain Explorer. But I have deployed the smart contract at a private chain on localhost. If you deploy it on testnet, you will be able to see on this URL. Here, I hope that after that, not anyone is going to launch smart contract on mainnet just to sell. Token must have some utility, must be backed up by real applications. They shouldn't be used to scam investor. Okay, that's it.